Next time you go out to make your next purchase of protein powder, make sure that you get the one that has everything that you need, not just protein. And I'm gonna show you what ingredients to look for in this video. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video I'm going to speak about protein powders, but not just any protein powder. I'm going to talk about a higher end, premium quality, fully featured, slightly more expensive protein powder that you're going to want to hear about. And no, it's not just this particular guy right here. Others like it, there's plenty of them on the market, but I want to point out that not all of them are created equal, and you want to pay attention to this video because I might give you some information that you're going to find useful in identifying which is which and which one you're going to want to buy. Now, having said that, let me just start out with the fact that a lot of people are scared away from some of these protein powders because the marketing messaging on them is tailored to like bodybuilding lifestyles and athletes. And if you're just an average person, you may think that that's not going to apply to you. But in fact, I believe that the average person, whether you're a single stay-at-home mom, whether you're a person that has a job and comes home, is raising a family, whether you're a single person just grinding it out, doing all this, having all the stress of doing everything alone, then I think that all of the above situations are going to have as much need and derive as much benefit from a product like this as an athlete or a bodybuilder type person. I think that don't sell yourself short. A lot of people do that and they sell themselves short in terms of the nutrients and the quality of fuel that they need. You know what? Like a high-end car, I think everybody is a high-end car. The human body is a top-level premium sports car, and you deserve premium fuel. And you want to know and identify which product actually is going to give you the premium fuel. They're not all created equal. Not all protein powders are created equal. What I mean by that is when you go buy protein powders, because of the proliferation of the ketogenic lifestyle, low sugar, zero sugar diets that are trending and are all the rage these days, and I'm not saying they're bad at all. I'm just saying that because of that, a lot of supplement companies tailor their marketing messaging and their product formulations to kind of appease and chase after those types of trends, which means that they focus on giving you product formulations, protein powders, that are heavily tilted towards the protein, and they have that covered, but they're lacking in other key areas. And what I mean by that is, take for example a multivitamin. When you have a multivitamin, you know that you're getting a variety of multivitamins and minerals that you need for promoting good health and maintaining peak performance. However, they are not the best in terms of compared to this particular type of product because multivitamins don't have calories. They don't have protein. So you can't eat a multivitamin and satisfy basically the requirements of a meal. That's just in addition to the meal to fill in the gap of vitamins that you may or may not be getting. Now, this product has an advantage because it's got multivitamins. Read the label, you're gonna see that it has a wide array of multivitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, beta carotene. It has calcium. And a lot of people, by the way, think that you can only get calcium from drinking a glass of milk. That's not true. You can get calcium from a variety of vegetables. You can also get calcium from certain higher end protein powders that are dairy derived and that have been manufactured in a way that preserves the calcium content, and this one does. There are others like it on the market as well. I'm just talking about this one here in this video, which is the Muscle Milk Pro Series. Pro Series indicates that it does contain the other multivitamins, the micronutrients that is in addition to the macronutrients. Now, macronutrients, just to get this straight, macronutrients are your proteins, carbohydrates, and fat. That's important to note because this is a protein powder, and like a lot of other protein powders, check off the protein box, it has it, right? It's a protein powder, obviously. But in addition to that, and what gives this an edge over some of the other protein powders on the market that are a little bit cheaper, and what gives it the edge over your multivitamin pill, is that this can also function as a meal replacement because it contains calories and protein. So this is your more complete meal replacement that you can use occasionally when you don't have access to a meal, or your choices are going to be fast food, junk food, or not eating at all. This is probably going to be a better option in many cases. Now, obviously, I recommend that you get most of your nutrition from whole food sources, preferably that you cook at home or that are home cooked. But let's be real, not everybody has that luxury, and sometimes life gets in the way. People are busy, people are stressed out, people are, in situations often where you just don't have the predictability to be able to have a home cooked meal when you need it with all of the nutrients that you need. And having something like this, while not the perfect solution, it does contain, a good convenient source of vitamins, minerals, and protein. What I mean by convenient, guys, is that you can basically take this on the go using one of these protein shakers, mixers. I'm going to leave a link down below for this particular protein powder that I'm talking about and this shaker, because this shaker is what you could use to mix it and make it into the consistency of an ice cream milkshake smoothie, because it is shaped in a very specific way and does contain a little piece inside that kind of emulates a blender's blade. That's the little thing inside. And what you could do with this is mix this on the go at home or in your job or whatever, in your car. Put water or dairy or whatever it is that you want to, whatever liquid you want to use to mix this with. And you could have kind of like a milkshake or a smoothie on the go, complete with not only protein, which a lot of protein powders have, right? But it's going to have the complete array of multivitamins comparable to a daily multivitamin pill that a lot of protein powders lack. A lot of protein powders are a one-trick pony, not this one. The other thing you guys can do is use this to add and enhance the health and nutrition benefits of foods that you already eat. What do I mean by that? Well, I'm talking about, like, say, your cereal or your oatmeal. Take cereal, and this is going to be a little weird, but everybody puts milk in their cereal, mix it up, and there you go. But you could also use this in addition to the milk of your cereal. Pretend that it's like sugar, put it on top. It's going to give it a little bit of a sweet taste because it does have a little bit of a sweet flavor to it. And you're going to have basically a high-powered cereal that not only contains the relatively empty sugars of cereal, which is not the best for you, but also it's going to contain the protein and the extra vitamins and minerals from this complete protein formula. Now, if you're worried about extra calories and you want to be extra careful about that, like I have spoken in my previous videos, you can utilize portion control to basically measure out, let's say, half of a scoop instead of the full scoop, and you could get a lot of the benefits that I spoke about, but with half of the calories. You want to do that if you want to maybe just consume less calories or more aggressively manage down the total calories that you consume if you're looking for weight loss or weight management. Now, I don't usually do that because I'm not looking to lose weight, but if you're looking to maybe lose a couple of pounds by controlling the dose that you get with this, by using portion control and don't use the whole amount of the scoop, you could basically still derive a good amount of protein and a good amount of vitamins and minerals. Definitely, it's better than having the calories of junk food or the empty calories of fast food. This is going to be a good option for you guys that are looking for a good, fully featured protein powder. Make sure that you check out my description below. It's an Amazon link. You can choose to buy it there. It's going to be no extra cost to you, but you can also use it to research it, read the label on it. You could zoom in, check it out, and make sure that when you buy a similar product, either online or at a store, that you're getting the fully featured protein product that doesn't just have primarily protein, but that has a good amount of vitamins and minerals to make it a complete meal replacement that is really probably what you want. You want to have the protein, but also the other stuff in it, because we need not just protein, we need a balance of nutrients to function, to maintain peak performance, and to have and promote a healthy lifestyle. So with that said, guys, hope you got something out of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.